Moving up the timetable, we will soon know the minute-by-minute details of Hillary Clinton's daily meetings as Secretary of State. It comes as a brand new bombshell batch of emails were just released. That is. Chief Washington correspondent James Rosen is live from D.C. with the latest. Good morning, James.
Jackie, good morning. The reason we keep hearing about new emails from Hillary Clinton's State Department is that the State Department today is observing court-ordered timetables for the production of these documents in litigation with groups like Judicial Watch. The conservative legal watchdog just released another 510 pages, including a July 2009 exchange between Clinton Foundation officer Doug Band, also a former aide to former President Clinton, and the ubiquitous Huma Abedin, top aide to Secretary of State Clinton. In it, Band seeks and receives Abedin's help obtaining diplomatic passports. The request covered Band and two associates, one of them, according to Judicial Watch, a Clinton Foundation employee who was linked to the registration documents for that private server. Here, the Clintons were able to show, however, that the request was tied to former President Clinton's trip the following month to North Korea, where he met with Kim Jong-il in order to secure the release of two imprisoned American journalists, Laura Ling and Yuna Lee. Judicial Watch is now attacking State Department officials and the 42nd President of the United States for rescuing two American journalists from North Korea, said Clinton campaign spokesman Josh Schwerin. This is a new low even for this right-wing organization that has been going after the Clintons since the 1990s, unquote. In the same batch of new documents, however, Judicial Watch unearthed 37 exchanges with Hillary Clinton that the former secretary failed to turn over among the 55,000 pages that she claimed constituted her entire inventory of work-related emails. And one of those shows her forwarding to Abedin's non-secure address information that the State Department redacted as classified, Jackie.
All right, James Rosen.